You all, it's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I'm just going to be showing you all how to achieve this curl look for, you know, something simple. Doesn't matter, date night out or whatever. Anyways, I'm just going to be showing you all how to achieve these curls, how I install my wigs and stuff like that. This is a closure wig, so it's pretty simple to install. But without further ado, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification. I am going to be doing a $100 giveaway cash app as soon as I hit 10K subscribers, so please get me there. Thank you for 7K, but I need that 10. I need that 10. Without further ado, I'm just gonna get right into the video. Please subscribe if you like my content. But let's go. So right now I am just cutting the cap off. I already started. I do the same thing all the time. I use Got To Be spray to smooth it down, and then, you know, take the scissors once it's dry and cut around it, and then the back, you'll see. I'm using these really huge scissors right now because I don't know where my shears are. I don't have a clue what I just did with them, so here I am with these gigantic scissors. And my size don't have to be perfect because I am installing a closure wig and not a full frontal. Okay, so the little flappy things in the back, I just take it and tie it in a knot in the back. I double the knots. Then I'm going to tie it one more time just to secure it. And once I do that, I go ahead and cut the remaining. Be careful in case you have some frizz in the back to not cut your hair. Okay? So yeah, that's put on. Yeah, I'm not really worried about the size because this is a closure wig and not a full frontal. So I'm going to use my glue. Well, first I need to put some sort of powder to darken this closure up. I mean, darken up the closure and darken up the cap. So let's go. Within the center and then the front, that's my main focus. And I probably should have used a different color. Like, I feel like this is way too light, but hey, it's darker than what is already there, so it's gonna have to do. Okay. Go a little further back. Make sure I get it in there nice and good. Rub-a-dub-dub. So the glue I'm gonna be using is the Ghost Bond Extra. The Ghost Bond XL. Like, this bottle was really expensive. I think I paid like $69, like $70 for this, for a big bottle. But it's worth it. It's gonna last me. And then I like the fact that it has a twist top rather than just the regular cap. Wait, not the regular cap. Yeah, the regular. They're both twist offs. But you know what I mean. If you buy it from the glue, you know exactly what I mean. But I like how this is twist up like regular glue-in glue, like a regular, like a quick weave glue. I like how it's like that kind of top. So yeah. So that's the first layer. I think I'm going to go ahead and add one more layer just to secure it down, and I might sew the sides down. I don't know. I'm going to see how I feel. I'm going to see. You want to make sure you place it very carefully because you don't want to drag the glue. Look, talking about don't want to drag the glue. Here I am, dragging the glue. Oh no. Do not do what I do. That's all I can say. But at least I'll clean it up. That's what matters. It's going to be bright. Okay, so I'll put it in a ponytail. I went ahead and wipe the remainder off. Now I'm going to spray it with my Got To Be spray. Honey, because we got to be secured. Here. Ignore my glue on the end. I was fixing the situation. So that's why I was glue on the end. I don't know why it's drawing white up there today. That's a no-go. Don't get me wrong, y'all. This glue have never done that before, so I don't know what's going on today. But honey, it is drying white. I ain't feeling that. So I decided I'm not gonna sew it down. I'm just gonna use the clips in the back to secure it, because this wig does have clips on it. Okay, so maybe if I try the makeup method one more. I want to be careful though, because this was a different color brown, so I definitely want to be careful putting this on. Oh, I think it's working. Like you see, I'm like dabbing it. I'm being very, very cautious on how I'm putting it on, because I think this is definitely a lighter brown. I'm gonna have to use a darker color, because honey, I'm gonna get this lace right. You feel me? I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it tight. So let me cut out my section in the back. So I'm not gonna put any product on it, because I don't want to make this hair stiff, because I might just end up making it back straight. So this is for really the video. So this one, back curls, I'm going to curl forward, because people tend to wonder which way. I'm already jacking up and I just started. People tend to wonder which direction you should curl it. So I like to curl my back ones going forward, like to frame my face. Not to go away from it. Doing the same thing, coming in my direction. These curls is not feeling me today. Oh. There you go. Don't be like me and have a fan working against you, okay? Don't do as I do. Well, do as I do, but don't do as I do. You feel me? We here with it. We won. You don't want to make your parts too big, because you want it to flat iron all the way through. Okay, at this point, I'm just not making a part at all. Alright, so I got my next part. Also going to, so this one, not really curling towards you. You're not going to curl toward the face. You're going to curl away from the face. But not like that. You're not going to pull the hair back like that. You're going to make sure the hair is nice and flat and curl it down. Basically curling it upside down. There you go. You know what? I guess the fan kind of works out in the background, because it's cooling it down. So it's making the curl dry out a little faster. That kind of works. I kind of like that. And definitely be careful, like with doing your own hair. You want to make sure you don't see any extending hair longer than the curls that you've already done, because then you got hanging hair and you didn't curl all the pieces. I hope that makes sense. So this one I'm going to curl in that direction. This curl I'm going to curl backward. You win. Alright, so now I'm all done with this side. See how it is? I got the little Shirley Temple curls right now, but I'm gonna pull it out and it's gonna look good. So let me go over to the other side. Go, a little something, a little swoopy swoop, little swoopy swoops. So now I'm going in with my Kera wax stick just to make sure the top stays nice and flat. Know what I'm talking about? Just a little some, just to keep it flat. I don't want the hairs get the flying around at the top. It just stops that. Prevent all of that extra hair flying around. Okay, now what I'm gonna use, because I don't even see my big comb to fluff this out. It's like I could use my fingers, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. But I don't see my big comb. See, this is a struggle of having a household full of people with hair. Okay? Everybody in this apartment. Everybody in here got hair on their head. Okay? Well, looks like I'm gonna have to go and pull them out with my fingers. Sorry, you all. See what I'm saying? See what I'm talking about? So I really hope you all enjoy watching me create this style. I think it turned out pretty good. I love it. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification. Also, don't forget I am doing a $100 giveaway once I hit 10K. So let's get it out there. Tag your friends, share my page, or whatever you need to do, honey, because I need that 10K. And also comment some more video ideas you may have for me, any other styles you want to see me do on here, and just some more ideas. Before I forget, make sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, stuff like that. I'll have all the links down in the description. And without further ado, I'll just catch you all in my next video. Bye, loves.